What's up everybody? I have another controller right here. Let's see. Every time I'm opening a box it's like a surprise. Like a Kinder surprise for me. Whoa, okay. I got the address here. Let's see what it's all about. Looks like another oven control board. Let me shut this off for now. There you go. Oh, that's a commercial washer. It looks like. Let's see what they say. Rudy Beckford. Okay, so this is just the address, and I think it's let me just change the gloves and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back now. Okay, I'm not sure what's wrong with this board, but I'm doing visual inspection, and looks like everything looks okay. I will start with those relays again like always. Capacitors looks good. I'll check the relays and see those. Maybe this. No, I think they're all good. Okay, so I can take the display. Just gonna move the display out. One and two. Okay, that's okay. We have some burning marks here. Okay. This guy. Let's test. Is it a capacitor? Let me see. Yeah, I think it's a capacitor. Let's check. Is that a capacitor? What is it? It's definitely this component. Let's see if it's a capacitor. I'm just gonna try to measure it. Yeah, it is a capacitor. 103 nanofarad. What about this guy? 106 nanofarad, but I do have some burning marks here for sure. Let me try to clean it a little bit here and see if I can see something unusual. We definitely have something going on in here. I would definitely replace this guy first, and then, yeah, because you can see, let me see something here. Yep, I can see the problem. I can see the problem. Okay, so here there is a missing trace line, little piece here. This is first, then that's connected to the relays as well, and those capacitors. Somehow something happened when it's overheated, so let me check all those capacitors. So I know that this capacitor reading is okay, this one's too. Let's see, what about this one? Yeah, this one's good. What about this one? Yeah, this one's good too. They're all the same. Well, this guy right here, it has 103. This one has 106. So this one a bit on the high side. So I would definitely replace this one. And now let's check those relays. Those ones are 24 volts. Interesting. This is the coils. I believe this is the coils. And probably here, let's see. So 24 volts. Alright, let's test those relays and see. Oh, that's not a coil. Where's the... No, it is a coil. 24 volt DC. How come? No. Okay, let's try to put a little bit current, like this much. Let's do... Five amps, maybe it's too much. Let's see what's the amperage here. It's really confusing relay, because here it says 24 volt DC, but here it also says, okay, so it's 3 amp, and here it says 30 volt DC. So is it 24 or 30? Let's try to do 30. Okay, we have a bad relay. Sticky relays. Okay, so we need few things on this one. Okay, so this is what I would recommend on this one. Those relays, this capacitor, and this trace line right here, it's missing. And then it should be all good to go. Yeah, I guess I can, that's a Maytag commercial. Yeah, it's from a washer. Anything else seems to be okay, but yeah, for sure this side here. I will order the parts and get it all fixed up for the customer. We'll need to create little copper trace line here and replace. That should be pretty quick. I just need to take a few pictures and then alright, I'm back now, so I'm gonna place the order on those two relays probably sometimes tomorrow, we'll see. And this little capacitor, although it reads okay, but I can see that there was a little overheat in this place, so I want to change it anyways. All the other components are fine. This relay is fried for sure. This one's okay, but I will replace both. And yeah, that should be all good to go. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Take care.